Welcome to Bali, the island of the gods, the land of temples, beaches, and timeless beauty. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes Bali a dream destination and uncovering the best places you must visit in 2025. Let's get started. About Bali, island of the gods. Located in Indonesia, Bali is a tropical paradise renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and spiritual energy. It's a place where lush jungles, terraced rice fields, volcanic mountains, and pristine beaches all coexist in perfect harmony. Bali isn't just a beach destination. It's a rich cultural tapestry woven with ancient traditions, daily ceremonies, and warm hospitality. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, spirituality, or vibrant nightlife, Bali offers it all. And the best part? Bali remains surprisingly affordable, making it a perfect getaway for every type of traveler. 1. Ubud, the cultural heart. Start your journey in Ubud, Bali's cultural and spiritual center. Explore the iconic Tegalalang rice terraces, stroll through the colorful Ubud art market, visit the mystical sacred monkey forest sanctuary, and indulge in yoga retreats surrounded by lush greenery. 2. Seminyak, luxury by the beach. For a stylish beach experience, head to Seminyak. It's famous for luxury resorts, trendy cafes, chic boutiques, and vibrant beach clubs like Potato Head and Coup d'etat, perfect for sunset lovers and partygoers alike. 3. Uluwatu, cliffs, temples, and surf. Down south lies Uluwatu, home to dramatic cliffs and world-class surfing. Visit the stunning Uluwatu temple perched on a cliff edge and don't miss the mesmerizing Kecak fire dance at sunset. 4. Tanah Lot, Temple on the Sea. One of Bali's most iconic landmarks, Tanah Lot is a sea temple famous for its magical sunsets. It's a sacred site, beautifully set against the ocean backdrop, a must-see for photographers and culture lovers. 5. Mount Batur, Sunrise Hike. Adventure. For adventure seekers, a sunrise hike up Mount Batur is unforgettable. Watch the sun rise over Bali's volcanic landscape and enjoy breakfast cooked by the mountain's natural steam. 6. Nusa Islands, tropical paradise. Escape the main island and head to the Nusa Islands, Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Keningan. Marvel at the iconic Kelingking Beach, swim with manta rays, and explore hidden beaches and cliffs. 7. Tirta Empul, Holy Spring Water Temple. Experience Bali's spirituality at Tirta Empul, a sacred temple where locals and visitors alike take part in traditional purification rituals under holy spring waters. 8. Sidemen, Bali's hidden gem. If you want a quieter, authentic Bali experience, visit Sidemen. Nestled in the countryside, it's filled with emerald rice fields, traditional villages, and breathtaking views of Mount Agung. 9. Canggu, surf, cafes, and vibes. Young, hip, and lively, Canggu is the hotspot for surfers, creatives, and digital nomads. Enjoy laid-back beach vibes, cool cafes, yoga studios, and a growing nightlife scene. 10. Jimbaran, sunset seafood dinners. Wrap up your Bali days with a romantic seafood dinner on the sands of Jimbaran Bay. Freshly grilled fish, toes in the sand, and a golden sunset. Pure Bali magic. Bali is a place that touches your soul, from its sacred temples and lush jungles to its golden beaches and friendly faces. Every corner of this island has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.